I mean, in Zoom, this COVID time, Zoom time, doing as well as I can, but then this 36 happened, so I don't know how you are.
Well, I was doing well until the 36 happened.
What was this 36? I mean, what was that about? I mean, though I think there was some build up to that, or something must have happened, right?
No, I think it is just maybe Ravi Shastri wanted to have an early drink, so he just everybody said, "चलो यार वापस आ जाओ types, बहुत हो गया."
Or maybe Virat was like in a hurry to come back to India.
Virat was in a hurry to come back. Yeah, maybe Virat was in a hurry to come back.
Mm,
Very interesting, yeah. Very, very interesting things happening.
yeah,
But तो क्या करें? Should we dive straight into the analysis
yeah. Take it
or
away.
should we
You
take
are
it
like you're like the vice chancellor here, the VC.
away? Right, right. So, yeah, I mean, I don't know what happened here to these guys. I think ये जो 36 इन्होंने बनाया है, I mean, it is ये ठीक है. Look, there are two ways of looking at this. One is you can say one-off incident था, or it cost us the game, and it was poor batting, etc. One-off incident, like I said. But these one-off incidents happen too often with us. ये जो हमेशा हम इसको टेम्पलेटाइज कर देते हैं कि 1 hour of batting cost us the game.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Right.
you've seen this happen in the World Cup also, semi-final of the World Cup.
Mm.
1 hour of batting cost us the game. Half an hour of batting cost us here. The problem is, I think we need to realize that these crucial moments, he game बदलते हैं. So that's there are fine margins in winning the game and losing the game, and it's often a spell of good bowling, half an hour spell of good bowling, 1 hour spell of good bowling. That's what changes the game. Now, अगर आप बोलोगे 1 hour cost us the game, then अब मैं क्या बोलूँगा?
So you are saying
But
that if Umesh has like a good 1 hour, he can win you the game?
yeah, why not? If Umesh has a good 1 hour, if he's allowed to have one good 1 hour,
He can't have a full
why are
series.
selectors?
Uh, he
Huh?
can't have a full innings or a series, but he can have a spell, right?
He can have a spell which will change the game. Na? 3-4 wickets in a game, quickly in about 8-9 overs. Why not?
And what about this? What I counted like 8 catches, and catches win
8
matches. I mean, don't you think
correct.
that was like uh, it was a disaster waiting to happen? Australia won by 8 wickets. You dropped 8 catches. That's it. What do you think?
Disaster though waiting to happen.
Hmm.
8 catches you drop, and then you say that 1 hour cost us the game. I don't think it's 1 hour. I think it's 1 hour plus 8 catches that cost you the game.
And
So
what about the selection of Prithvi
what?
Shaw and uh, you know Saha?
हम्म,
What about the?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. देखो, आई थिंक सिलेक्शन पे तो काफी इश्यूज हैं.
Hmm.
अगर आप शॉ को सिलेक्ट करेंगे क्योंकि वो इनकम्बेंट बैट्समैन है
Hmm.
from the previous series, and you're willing to risk the first test match on it, then I don't know how wise that decision is.
Hmm.
If you felt that Shaw was the game changer, maybe I think you should not have asked him to open the inning,
Hmm.
especially in such a test series. First test match here, there's a lot on
Hmm.
the line. मेरे हिसाब से I think he should have come lower down, 5-6 पे
Hmm.
somewhere. Played with the lower order. His game is a little bit more attacking. Give him some confidence, and then maybe ask him to open the inning.
So he come.
Directly,
So let me get this right. So Prithvi Shaw comes in at 5. So
hmm,
that's 3 down, and you are 50 for 3. Let's say in
hmm,
the 18th over, and Cummins, 18 overs, mein he's still like on his second spell before lunch or something. So Prithvi Shaw
correct.
ठीक खेलेगा तब.
हाँ, क्योंकि आपके एक तरफ से पुजारा बैटिंग करेगा ना. मोर मोर ऑफन देन नॉट आपके पास पुजारा है जो 50 से 80 बॉल, 80 से 100 बॉल खेलेगा
Hmm.
बेयर मिनिमम. अगर उसने मान लो 30 रन बना दिए, तो ही इज समवेयर प्लेइंग अराउंड 80-90 बॉल्स आउट देयर. नाउ अगर आपको कहना है कि लुक 50 for 3 से आपको एक काउंटर अटैक करना है और
हम्म,
आपको एक गेम का रुख बदलना है, जैसे हमारे हिंदी में कमेंटेटर कहते हैं,
हम्म,
तो कौन करेगा? पुजारा तो नहीं कर पाएगा ना. ही विल नॉट कम आउट ऑफ हिज कंफर्ट जोन. तो आपको पृथ्वी शॉ की हेल्प लगेगी वहां पे. प्लस द बॉल वुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल बिट मोर ओल्डर,
हम्म.
एंड दैट्स वेयर ही कुड हैव स्कोर्ड एंड काउंटर अटैक्ड फॉर यू
So,
एज अ.
so you think it's the right strategy given the gap between his bat and pad?
देखो, अगर खिलाना था तो फिर ओपनर के तो रूप में तो डेफिनेटली नॉट. बट you know how things are, right? Sometimes the team selections are forced upon people and not first choice, you know.
So
So
I have a feeling. I'm sorry to butt in, but do you remember that guy called? He's a very senior cricketer called Murli Vijay. Uh,
Correct,
he used to open for India. Is that right?
correct, correct,
And
correct,
he made
correct.
some hundreds in Australia, and something happened.
बिल्कुल,
क्या क्या हुआ?
बिल्कुल. In fact, I think you should pull up his stats. Murli
Hmm.
Vijay is a great example of what we do with our selections.
Hmm.
दूसरों की टीम में रोटेशन पॉलिसी होती है, हमारे टीम में रोटेट एंड डंप वाली पॉलिसी होती है.
अच्छा.
करेक्ट. तो
Hmm.
one, I think if you pull up his stats, you'll understand he scored some, I think, 200s in the last series in Australia also.
In 2018.
2015, not last series,
अच्छा.
2015.
Okay, okay. When
2015 में उसने,
Virat became the captain.
correct, correct. And that is after the 2014 series where Virat was averaging 13 in England.
अच्छा, इंग्लैंड में क्या हुआ था? मतलब वो 4-0 हम हारे थे ना, जब
इंग्लैंड में हम
धोनी भी
4-0
था.
हारे थे. बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. एंड शायद एक टेस्ट मैच हम जीते थे वहां पर, एक 3-1 से हम हारे थे.
अच्छा.
बट विराट हैड अ वेरी बैड टूर और उसका एवरेज वाज अराउंड 13. 134 रन बनाए थे पूरी सीरीज में, एंड हिज टॉप स्कोर वाज 39.
तो
you know
अश्विन ने कितने
so
बनाए थे?
Ashwin was averaging 35 in the series with the bat.
सो बट ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर जो हुआ 2014 का, दैट हैपेंड आफ्टर द इंग्लैंड टूर, राइट? एंड देन विराट बिकेम द कैप्टन,
Correct,
राइट?
correct, correct, correct.
So how did that happen? I mean, why will you make a captain who was averaging 13 in the last tour? I mean, what am I missing?
And now if you want to ask uncomfortable questions and get me to answer it, it will get difficult. Maybe,
Hmm.
we should leave some for the selectors also to answer and justify
Acha,
what
who's
happened
the
out there.
selector by the way
But
right now?
nobody senior enough also शायद, तो उसके वजह से आप ट्रांजिशन कर रहे हो. धोनी
Hmm.
इज ऑन हिज वे आउट, तो आपको उस हिसाब से आई थिंक विराट का सिलेक्शन तो बनता था उस समय पे.
And are you happy with his captaincy? His चलो selection पे तो आपके views हैं कुछ. Uh,
हम्म,
you think he's picking the right, he's doing the right things on the field, like field
आई
placement.
थिंक ही इज पिकिंग द राइट बॉलर्स फ्रॉम आरसीबी.
I read on Twitter that uh, Australia has bowled out RCB 11 for 36. I mean, is that true? I don't follow IPL that much, so I really don't know. कि भी ये
नहीं, नहीं, बट आई थिंक कि क्या है ना कि सी इफ यू लुक एट द बॉलिंग आल्सो,
हाँ,
उमेश यादव आरसीबी,
हाँ,
राज एंड सैनी बोथ आर आरसीबी.
हाँ.
तो ये क्या चल रहा है? मतलब ये हमारा पूरा पेस डिपार्टमेंट उधर है.
अच्छा. So is
यू नो
Vijay Mallya still like involved with RCB or how does it work?
देखो, मुझे तो नहीं लगता, आई एम नॉट श्योर कि वो कितना इन्वॉल्व है इसमें.
Hmm.
बट हाँ, अगर आप आरसीबी से के साथ प्लेयर के रूप में इन्वॉल्व हो तो फिर देन यू आर डेफिनेटली इन्वॉल्व विद द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम फॉर श्योर, एक्टिवली.
So this is like a
लॉन्ग एज
Vijay
यू कीप
Mallya team,
हैप्पी.
basically. Erstwhile
Well, at
Vijay
least
Mallya.
40% of it. 40% of it.
Yeah. But here's what I think. I mean, there is a there's a problem. I mean, you saw the bowling. none of the guys apart from Virat was really coming forward. Unka footwork was not, they didn't have a big stride out. And
correct,
of
correct,
course, Virat nicked one. That was okay. वो 5 wicket down
hmm,
था, मतलब 4 wicket. So he's trying to get
बिल्कुल,
the game on. That's okay. But my
hmm,
question is, people like Rahane and to an extent Pujara also. Pujara plays very close to his body, so he can
correct,
manage it. I mean, but apart from Mayank, I didn't see anyone move their feet much. You know, so Rahane
correct,
ke liye, I'm like, he's a
hmm, hmm.
short-statured guy, so he is liable to be pinned on the crease at times. Isn't that true?
नहीं, I agree. I think क्या है देखो, we had a very few guys are playing on the front foot.
Hmm.
Kohli is one, Mayank is the other guy who looks comfortable on the front foot.
Hmm.
Um, Pujara is steady. He's not a very, he doesn't look as a very comfortable front foot player, but he's steady. Of course, he's a steady player.
Hmm.
Where you fall into a trouble is where आपका पृथ्वी शॉ है,
Hmm.
हनुमा विहारी है, ये सारे जो आपके प्लेयर्स हैं, ये these guys are all form based players.
Hmm.
तो जब इनका फॉर्म चल रहा है तो ये टॉप पे हैं,
Hmm.
अदरवाइज ये थोड़ा सा स्ट्रगल कर लेते हैं. रहाने इंक्लूडेड, रहाने आल्सो इज आई थिंक अ सिमिलर थिंग. इट्स मोर इन द माइंड विद रहाने देन एनीथिंग एल्स. And of course once he sorts his running between the wickets.
think, uh, I don't know what to say. I mean, how will he handle that?
मैं
Like,
तो
if India goes on to
देखो,
lose 4-0, that is
हाँ,
the moment it was like decided.
देखो
If
मेरे को तो लगता है ये कहीं जैसे पिछले हफ्ते में देयर वाज द सैटर्न जुपिटर कंजंक्शन ना, जो
yeah.
400 साल में एक बार आता है. मुझे लगता है रहाने और विराट कोहली का कंजंक्शन हो गया था विकेट के बीच.
it it seemed more like a separation than a conjunction, but I take your point. But I have another observation कि ये जो
हम्म,
इन्होंने फर्स्ट इनिंग्स खेला
हम्म,
244 whatever they made in I
करेक्ट,
think a lot of overs 92 overs
हम्म,
and
हम्म,
there was a point when they hit 145 whatever some high number of overs and there
करेक्ट,
were some play and misses but Pujara and Virat had done a lot of hard work.
हम्म,
तो फिर
हम्म,
ये 180 for 3 मतलब I watch cricket and I look at patterns and
हम्म, हम्म.
do you think at some point in this series India is going to get a payback for that work?
आई थिंक
Obviously Adelaide में तो नहीं मिला. So we have VC is experiencing some mobile issues, but uh, so I think what happened was that we definitely had a great moment when India played out for two consecutive like periods, which was up till tea. They were doing very well. Then another hour, so 180 runs, and it's a pretty solid performance. So India did not get that payback. Let me just check where VC is. Yeah. So thanks for connecting back VC. I was just saying कि मैं bowling की बात कर रहा था. So what I was saying was कि Bumrah was overbowled and he looked flat. He bowled 21 overs in the first innings and he looked flat after I think
करेक्ट.
number 15. And again in the second innings, they made him bowl from over number I think 7-8 overs on the trot. When he looked sharp in the first four, the next four, it fell off. So
करेक्ट.
this is going to cost you. I mean, this kind of a low scoring series and slow scoring series, you can't have Bumrah starting to leak runs, or not looking sharp. I mean, let's be. What do you think?
नहीं, आई एग्री. आई थिंक के द प्रॉब्लम इज डेफिनेटली विद द bowling.
Hmm.
Um, you need to go into the next test match with 5 bowlers because ये बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा नहीं तो because बुमराह इज आपके पास एक बॉलर है जो कंसिस्टेंटली करेगा but he will not be the same for both the spells. Right? So you can't rely only on one ace of yours, which is Bumrah. You will need Ashwin, you need Jadeja in the team, you will need Kuldeep Yadav, and that is what I was suggesting that second test के लिए आपको 5 bowlers खेलने बहुत जरूरी है. Even if that means कि आप अश्विन और जडेजा दोनों 8 और 9 पर खेलें, 7 और 8 पर खेलें. So that's where you take the pressure off Bumrah कि आप 2 पेसर खेलें और 3 स्पिनर खेलें. और मेरे हिसाब से आई थिंक यू शुड प्ले कुलदीप यादव आल्सो क्योंकि these are your best bowlers. These are your honestly your best 5 bowlers who can get you wickets and who can win you a test match. What do you think about it?
So you are saying you'll have Bumrah, you'll have Ashwin, you'll have Jadeja, you'll have Kuldeep, and you'll have what, Umesh.
देखो, now that's a call that we'll have to take whether we keep Umesh or not. There is no hard. I mean, he looked good. There's no hard reason to drop him immediately. लेकिन अगर आपको बैटिंग एक्सटेंड करना है, beyond number 8. And if you are looking for a 9th batsman, who bowls etc. तो आपको then you'll have to. I'm suggesting you go for Shardul Thakur, जो आपके पास net bowler है.
He's not in the 16.
अच्छा, he's not in there. Okay, so you can't take the net bowlers.
I mean, you could have Shami का कोई replacement नहीं announce करा आपने. Natarajan could have been there. Shardul could have been there, but since they are not on, I mean, it's a hypothetical. So
then आपको उमेश के साथ खेलना पड़ेगा. आप उमेश के साथ you play 5 bowlers along with Umesh.
So you'll play only 2 fast bowlers, 3 spinners.
Correct. मेलबर्न में आपको शायद थोड़ा सा बाउंस भी मिल जाएगा. So Kuldeep Yadav along with the spin that he generates, he gets good flight, good drift in the air. I think he'll be a great addition to the team.
So
the last time he was here.
So you're referencing his performance 2 years back.
Absolutely.
Did you see the India A match, by the way?
Which one?
The first match between India A and Australia A, which was in Sydney. Not the day-night one, उसके पहले वाला, जिसमें कुलदीप ने bowling करी थी.
Right.
So he was bowling flat. And I'm told the management has told him to be quicker through the air. तो उसका जो flight था वो खत्म हो गया था. उसका जो body language था वो बहुत ही defensive था. And it was only by the 8th or 9th over that he was able to get something out of the wicket and get his loop back. But he's not played any cricket. No T20, no ODI. One A match जिसमें कि उसने सिर्फ 10 ओवर बॉल करा है. So my question to you is, I love Kuldeep. I think he could have been your Shane Warne, a poor man Shane Warne, but you're mismanaging him, and he's probably already in the Ajit Agarkar and those bowlers who were mismanaged and destroyed.
Correct. Munaf Patel.
हाँ, वही.
Ajit Agarkar.
Correct.
इरफान पठान.
हाँ, तो वो एक्शन चेंज करा या फिर उन्हें बोला तेज. So उनका जो कोर स्ट्रेंथ है उसको आपने बोल दिया ये गलत है, इससे आपको विकेट तो मिले, सिडनी में 5 आउट करे, बट ये ठीक नहीं है.
Correct. नहीं, so I saw a statement from the management there. They are saying that we are working on him. What are you working on him for? Why are you not working on the batsman? What are you working on him for? If you give him a test match to play, then you will work on him, no?
No, they are working on making him underconfident, because नहीं तो फिर management को you know what I'm saying. So
correct. ये वो वाला चीज है कि एक दूसरे मतलब how can I become a bigger player than.
But आपकी जो टीम है इसमें फिर गिल तो आ नहीं सकता, क्योंकि you'll have only 5 batsmen and a keeper. कीपर अगर आप पंत के साथ गए
नहीं नहीं, तो आपको इसमें एक और चेंज करना पड़ेगा, जो
हम्म
मेरे हिसाब से इसमें सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रेटेजिक है,
हम्म
वेयर यू हैव टू आस्क केएल राहुल टू कीप। आपको केएल राहुल से कीपिंग कराना पड़ेगा इसमें, बिकॉज द रीजन फॉर दैट इज, वन, ही प्लेज अ मल्टी डिमेंशनल रोल,
हम्म
कीपिंग भी करता है, बैटिंग भी करता है। तो
हम्म
अगर वो ओपन कर सकता है, लेट हिम ओपन अलोंग विद शुभमन गिल,
हम्म
then you have a better and a more solid lineup. If you want, you can drop Mayank down, लेकिन आपको थोड़ा सा वहां खेलना पड़ेगा उसमें।
अच्छा, इंडिया फर्स्ट बैटिंग करा तो ये तो चल जाएगा, क्योंकि वो
हाँ,
25-30 बना के आउट हो जाएगा, देन ही कूल हिज हील्स जब तक कि वापस ना।
करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट
अगर
करेक्ट।
36 बनाए तो बहुत जल्दी होगा, लेकिन
हम्म,
136 बनाए तो थोड़ा और टाइम लगेगा।
हाँ
336
हाँ,
में he'll get rest. So,
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
but what if Australia bowls first? So, how will he manage the workload?
तो वेल देखो, ही इज बीन कीपिंग इन टेस्ट, इन ओडीआईज एंड टी20s आल्सो। नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट्स अ डिफरेंस इन कीपिंग इन टेस्ट मैचेस, बट मेरे हिसाब से आई डोंट थिंक ऑस्ट्रेलिया विल बैट फर्स्ट इन दिस गेम। They,
Mhm.
given that the amount of pressure that is there, they will push you into batting only,
Okay.
right? And if you win the toss, अगर
You
इंडिया ने
should bat.
टॉस जीती, आप तो बैटिंग ही करोगे। आप कैसे बोलोगे कि मैं बैटिंग नहीं करूंगा, क्योंकि हमने 36 बनाए थे पिछली बार।
हाँ, ये भी बात है, क्योंकि वो जैसे ही 72 क्रॉस करा, so 73rd run can be the winning run. You know, 2 innings, 36. So, so yeah, I
नहीं
mean,
नहीं, let us get
no,
serious on
that's
this
like
one.
the worst case
So,
scenario, right? What if lightning strikes twice? I mean, it's not beyond imagination. 36 नहीं तो 110 हो सकता है. It's not beyond imagination, क्योंकि देखो इन विकेट्स पे 5 डाउन होना for 80, 90, 100, 120 भी. Australia was 111 for 7. So who do you have down the order who can actually do a Tim Paine?
so you'll have to, देखो यार, you'll have to get one of those guys down there to
Hmm.
bat with the tail. अभी आप या तो आप मयंक को कह दो कि आप नीचे खेलो अग्रेसिवली टेल के साथ।
अच्छा,
मयंक,
मैंने आपको स्टॉप कर दिया था, तो you were saying KL and Shubman open, and then
हाँ
who?
हाँ,
Then who?
सो केएल एंड शुभमन ओपन करेंगे।
Hmm.
उसके बाद आपके पास 3 नंबर पे पुजारा है,
Hmm.
आपके पास आएंगे। 4 पे आप रखोगे रहाने,
Hmm.
बिकॉज ही इज द कैप्टन, ही हैज टू बैट एट 4।
Right.
5 पे आपको मयंक लेना पड़ेगा,
Hmm.
5 या तो 6 पे। तो
So
आपको
this
एक अग्रेसिव बैट्समैन चाहिए, ताकि रहाने एंड
नेथन लायन को मैनेज करना है अपने.
हाँ हाँ, नेथन लायन को थोड़ा मैनेज करना पड़ेगा, और ओल्ड बॉल के साथ आपको थोड़ा सा रन रेट मैनेज करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए
Hmm.
आप पुजारा, रहाने और बिहारी को आप ऊपर ले जाते हैं 3 4 5 पे।
Okay. So then 5 becomes Mayank and 6 becomes who?
5 बिकम्स रहाने, और 3
6
4 5 पे आप,
Mayank.
हाँ हाँ
And
हाँ,
7
तो 3 पे
becomes
आप
Jadeja.
पुजारा खेले,
7
3 पे
पे
पुजारा खेले,
हाँ.
हाँ 7 पे जडेजा, 8 पे अश्विन।
Okay, okay.
दैट इज हाउ यू मैनेज दिस इनिंग में।
This team will do another thing, कि ये सबसे
हम्म,
आपकी एक्सपीरियंस टीम होगी.
बिल्कुल
माइनस
बिल्कुल
गिल.
बिल्कुल
माइनस गिल. अगर
बिल्कुल।
गिल का आप थोड़ा बिल ना काटें तो
हम्म
so do you think what I've read from Melbourne is that this wicket will not have as much in the wicket. From a
हम्म,
batsman's point of view, it will be easier. So which
करेक्ट
means
करेक्ट।
अगर ऑस्ट्रेलिया आएगा तो वो ज्यादा रन बनाएगा, तो 3 स्पिनर तो आपको चाहिए. आई एग्री विद दैट
आपको
स्ट्रेटजी.
3 स्पिनर लगेंगे इस पे,
हाँ.
बिल्कुल
आई
लगेंगे,
ऑल्सो
बिकॉज
अग्री
आपका
विद.
बाउंस यहाँ पर ज्यादा है।
हाँ, और इसमें एक अच्छी बात है कि हमारे दोनों जो फास्ट बॉलर हैं वो बिल्कुल यॉर्कर में ही डाल के विकेट लेते हैं, तो उनको विकेट से वैसे ही कोई मतलब नहीं है। वो पीछे
Correct.
थर्ड
That's true.
बिहाइंड तो बहुत ही कम होता है।
Correct.
इवन बुमराह ही गेट्स देम लाइक बिफोर
LBW
फोर
bold.
डेथ, तो
Keep a
या फिर
catch.
मारते हुए वो मिड विकेट के
Hmm.
ऊपर
Hmm.
या समथिंग,
Hmm.
तो
Hmm. Hmm.
या
Very
फिर
rarely third slip.
हाँ, तो वेरी रेयरली, तो आई
Hmm.
थिंक दिस विकेट विल सूट दिस अटैक, आई एग्री।
Correct.
And you have Vihari who can also turn his arm.
Correct.
Uh, but I have a like, before we wrap up, I mean, this is another point I have. What will be your mental approach? What will be your approach to this game? And why पंत का जो पीछे से वो बोलता है और उसका जो पंच है, why can't we accommodate him instead of Bihari maybe?
See, you're giving the. I mean, I think approach. अगर आप देखोगे तो I think we need to come out a little bit aggressive
Hmm.
in the next game because 36. You'll have to forget that. But
Hmm.
the way to forget that is to score positively
Hmm.
and make runs. With your opening three batsmen.
Hmm.
So let's assume that we come out with a positive mindset, right?
Hmm.
And you start attacking the game a little bit.
Hmm.
Maybe if you can score uh, 12 overs 50,
Hmm.
50, 55 in 12 overs, the advantage then comes on to you and you've automatically gone past 36. Otherwise, the problem is it's not about getting out for 36 again. You might fold up in 150
So
if
I
you come
have
with a negative and defensive mindset. So
so
I
I
think
have
come
a
out aggressive, play a few shots.
and what if you become 80 for 3 and then
That's still
forward
acceptable. That is still
and
acceptable as long as you're playing shots.
and what if you
Because you
go
have Bihari, Rahane, and Pujara, na? 3, 4, 5 to hold you up.
like they did in Adelaide?
Correct.
So uh,
So I saw a joke on Twitter actually, the other day,
hmm,
and someone was saying that there is a reason why the Indian team is batted this way
hmm.
because Byju's is the official sponsor. So they were saying that they've learned everything from Byju's, the learning app. So I think Ravi Shastri's job is on the line on this one.
Yeah, but tell
If
me
we,
one thing,
yeah.
one last thing, before I forget. Why hasn't Virat resigned? अजीत वाडेकर के साथ जब 42 हुआ
Hmm.
था, he resigned. This guy is on vacation.
Because he can afford not to resign. Unfortunately, that's the truth. You know how it is.
And Ravi Shastri
So,
also is like smiling.
बिल्कुल देखो यार, see, you know how the Bombay Brigade is यार. Bombay
Hmm.
Brigade always is plotting and pushing their Bombay batsmen. In fact, very interestingly,
Hmm.
I saw Manjrekar's comment, Sanjay Manjrekar's comment.
Hmm.
He says that Pujara should open the inning.
Okay.
Matlab, you're trying to
With
say,
Bihari?
well, that he's not suggested. He's just saying Pujara should open the inning, which means that Shaw should not, you shouldn't find a replacement for Shaw.
Hmm.
So that means when the series is over, Pujara will come back to batting at 3, then automatically Shaw will come back. That's the idea.
So
If you
there's
get.
another so there's another theory I have, by the way.
Hmm,
They
hmm,
might not go with Gill, and the reason
hmm.
is if they go with Gill, then how will they fit Rohit in the next match?
Correct.
I think
Correct.
he play, but I'm saying how will they fit? Except Vihari.
If I was Vihari, I would
Open.
take the bowling from Rahane and say I want to bowl a few overs and get a few wickets,
Yeah,
just so that my spot is cemented.
or I would, if I was Vihari, I would walk up to the captain and say, I want to open, you know, so give me a
That's
chance.
another way of doing it. Correct.
And
Correct. Correct.
then how will Virat come back if Gill is at 4? I think he will come.
I think you're taking it too far now.
So,
So I think that's like
but
good
that
one.
will be fun, na? अगर ये if they turn it around. But what chances do you give out of 100?
No, so I don't want to make a prediction now. I think we'll
Hmm.
just wait for the next game to open and then we can take a prediction on this one. I think
Okay.
after 2 games, it's more easy to
I
make a
think I want to
prediction and
see
come
the
right.
side they come up with. If the side doesn't
हाँ
include these five changes,
हाँ
even if
बिल्कुल
they make,
बिल्कुल
even if
बिल्कुल
they
या
include one guy,
हम्म
मतलब जैसे कुलदीप वाला, I will say they are not thinking on those lines. They're probably
हम्म
thinking Siraj for whatever
हम्म
reason. But I think अगर four changes से कम हुआ, four is on
हाँ
at par, five is where we are, and three will be where I think Ravi Shastri and company are. And I think
हम्म
that is going to lead to 4-0
I
in my
hope
opinion.
not, but yeah. Hmm.
Chalo, anyways, great talking to you. Thanks, VC.
Yeah, man.
And let's
Thank
connect
you, SS,
again
for
before.
this is a great way to start the first season of Commentary Box.
All right. Thank you so much.
And cheers to many
Take
more.
care. Yeah. All right.
See you.
Yeah.
Bye.